I'm beginning to feel better after the drama. I've got some music on. Music's good. I had a request for balancing clockwise, counterclockwise moves, like balancing, say, the fountain, so that you can do it both ways equally. And I've got a few thoughts on that. Usually, the way I started out, take a simple move, like say a shoulder reel, and just loop it back and forth, and find whatever the move is, find the smallest loop possible. Because if I do this, I'm going counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise. And if I do it for a while, they will inherently balance out. And to make things interesting, you can play with things like how high can you reach, how low can you reach, all that kind of stuff. And if you have music on, you do it with the beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if you can hear the music. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That always makes it more interesting for me to play with the rhythm. So that's one way. Another way would be this. Right? If I'm going backwards, if I turn my back to you, I can pass them counterclockwise around my body. If I turn my front to you, I pass them clockwise around my body. So if I just turn back and forth, again, I just cycle between them, and one will start teaching the other. I can turn that into a walk. I can walk backwards or walk forward. If we were to apply that to the fountain, let's see. If I face this way, if I turn to my left shoulder, my right will go under my left arm to get to there. That'll be my clockwise fountain. If I turn to you and put my left poi under my right, that's my counterclockwise. So I can go clockwise. I've never done this before. I'm making this up as I go. Clockwise, counter, cool. Right goes under, left goes under, right goes under. I don't know if that's a full fountain, but I think that lets me balance them. I could also play with it this way, where I could think, let's see, left, left, under, right, left, right, under, left, left, under, right, left, right, under, and build it up that way. So I find whatever it is, if there's too much time between doing it one way and the other, it won't balance them. But if you find something you can do where you're going right from the clockwise version to the counterclockwise version with as little time in between, and you just keep rocking back and forth, that will balance out the move. Hope you find that helpful. That came from a request. I will keep answering requests if you keep posting them. I can't promise I'll answer them all. If there's a few requests, I'll look at one that I think I have a good answer to, or that looks like an interesting exploration. Yeah, interaction's good for me. It's been an effort to get myself going, and some of you have been really helpful with that. I really appreciate that. I think we can turn the pandemic into a poi-demic. And I would like company with that. Including, I need some playlists to find some music that inspires me. Now, of course, I don't know if asking randomly would lead me to that. But if anybody has a playlist they're really turned on by, let me know. And then I'll make some more stuff about the rhythm, because Favo isn't the only guy who knows how to dance.